Honorable audience, now I request freedom fighter Muhammad Alauddin to deliver his speech as a special guest.
The Honorable President of this meeting, Kavi Shahjahan Abdali, a famous poet, children literature, author of fantasy. Present in the meeting, the chief guest, philosopher, Professor Anisuzzaman. Also present in the meeting, the chief discussor, Professor Dr. Shakir Shabur. Also present in the meeting, special guest, Nazrul researcher and translator, Mahbubul Haq, and present in the meeting, special guest, Principal Dr. Rafika Afroz, and the guests, those who are present in the meeting, I convey my well wishes to you all. I feel proud to speak in this occasion about the death anniversary of Polli Kavi Jasimuddin. Today is the 49th death anniversary of Polli Kavi Jasimuddin. Polli Kavi Jasimuddin was a dynamic poet in Bengal history. He was born in the year 1903 in his maternal uncle house in Tambul Khana village, Faridpur district. His father was Mr. Ansaruddin Mullah. He was a school teacher, and his mother was Amina Begum, and her nickname was Rasul. Polli Kavi Jasimuddin got his primary education in his village welfare school, and then he went to Faridpur Zilla School, from where he has completed his matriculation, and then he got admission in Faridpur Rajendra College, from where he has completed his HSC, and then he went to Kolkata and got his admission in Kolkata University. He got his graduation and masters in Bengali literature from Kolkata University. Then he worked under Dinesh Chandra Sen, and he worked there from 1931 to 1937. He worked Ramtanu Lahiri Institution as an assistant follower. He worked there, and he got 10,000 poetry, literature, history, and various kinds of literature he got from Dinesh Chandra Sen. Then he joined Dhaka University, and he worked there 5 years as a lecturer in Bengali literature, and then he joined a government job, Department of Information, and as a director, and in the year 1962 he retired from there. Polli Kavi Jasimuddin was a dynamic writer, he was a composer, he was a lyricist in Bengal history. There was no writer we can compare with Polli Kavi Jasimuddin. When he was a student in the university, his poem cover was selected in the textbook board during the time of East Pakistan. Polli Kavi Jasimuddin was a dynamic and versatile writer, poet. He was a famous writer. He was only poet who came to the village. He described the village beautification. His hero is the farmer. His hero is the people, those who work in the village. He has written a huge number of books: Rakhali, Nokshikatar Mat, Baluchar, Dankhet, Jojon Badiar Ghat, Hashu, Rupavati, Sokina, Holud, Boroni, Jole Lekhon, Kaponer Misil, Beder Me, Ek Poishar Bashi. He has also written Madhumala, Pollui Bodu, Boba Kahini, Jader Rekhisi, Memory, ঠাকুর বাড়ির আঙ্গিনা, জীবন কথা, চলো মুসাফির, হলুদ পরীর দেশে, যেই দেশে মানুষ বড়, and music. He has written music book, রঙ্গিলা নায়ের মাঝি, গঙ্গার পাড়, জারি গান, রাখালি গান, বেউলা, ডালিম কুমার, and কাজল ভোমরা. He was written in Unima, numberless poetry and poem. I can't write this in the book. A huge number of history, literature he has written in his book. He has enriched the Bengali literature. Nazrul Polikobu Joshimuddin is one of the writers in Bengali history. We will remember, the nation will remember, whole nation will remember forever. He got many awarded. He got President Award in the year 1958, Akushi Padak in 1976, Shadinata Padak in 1978, and he has rejected Bangla Academy Award in 1974. In January 2018, Bangla Academy announced Joshimuddin Veterinary Award to be given for lifetime contribution to Bengali literature. Now, I shall thank you again to the organizer of this occasion, Mr. Shahzan Abdali, for his wonderful arrangement, and at last I shall request the government to announce the government holiday, Kavi Joshimuddin death anniversary, birth anniversary every year. I should like to finish my speech here, and I like to thank all the renowned personalities, those who are present in the meeting, and I like to finish my speech. Thank you very much.